Part 2. Sorry about the last one, but I ran out of time, or the car just filled up. Usually I've got 15 minutes, so I must have gone over it. So sorry about that, and I'm sorry about the sniffing, but it's like sunny outside, and the pollen's doing me bloody head in, and that's why my nose is like, I was going like this, because it's doing me head in, and there's people out there who understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, where I've left off was, yeah, I've cut that out, got to where about an inch with it, and I pulled the lever over and I glued it down. So when that's gone off, that's solid, you have this bit here, bit like that, yeah, I pulled the lever over it and put it in there. So then, taunt this, I use this as a taunt to hold it to the shape, yeah, because like if you don't, it just goes ping, like, which I found out a couple of times. So have this, holds it to the shape, cool. Then you glue on the inside of here, in there, around the top there on the inside, and on here, and then you get hold of this and put it inside, clamp it there. I held it like a muppet, and clamp it there, tape it there, so that goes off. So then you've got this bit, yeah? I'll keep this to hold the shape. That's it, just ping everywhere, no good. Now, this bit here, the rim, yeah, the rim bit come from this, like this, was inside the helmet. It was in the helmet somewhere, I can't remember exactly where now, but it was there, so I pulled that out, peeled it out, there it is, like that, and on here, put it round, and I cut it to the length I wanted, yeah, and put it all the way around there, like that, cut it to the length that I wanted. Now what you've got to do here is, in the centre here, is cut a little V notch in there, yeah, cut a little V in there, not a big one, just a little, because when you're putting this round, it kicks up, so it kicks up like that, and then it just trying to get it down won't, so when a V does, it closes it. So I held it down, but I've learned by the mistakes, like you do. You can I'll do part of it, clamped it, let that one off, and then part of it, clamped it. But if you're clever, or well, you might be able to do it, you could tape it all the way round, or tape half of it, and wait till it goes off, and then tape the other half, like so. So then, that's it. It's made. Even glasses underneath. It's getting a bit dirty now, but with my fingers over it. So, other things. You get people who go, well, I don't like the strap on my back and on my head. Well, see all this. All this soft, spongy, yeah. Well, it's all in here. All in here. So, pull it out, and let's say, I don't know what bit have I got here. This bit out. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody goes, don't like it. So, get on with it. You can either cut it to shape, or anybody's good at sewing, or whatever, or glue it, wrap it round, and they've got a pad on the back. But don't do the bit with a strap to make it bigger, smaller. Don't do that bit. Yeah, so you can wrap it around there. And then, got the other one, right, is, oh, what is it? Oh, it rubs my ears. This doesn't rub my ears. It feels quite comfortable, actually. And I'm giving this to the woman in the shop. That's the idea, and I made it for her. So I'm going to give it to her. I'll take it over when I finish doing this. Yeah, so then, see, you've got these little bits here. You can have them longer, cut them shorter. Yeah. So then you can put them inside where the ears are. You know, you get the idea. And it is one solid, reusable mask. Sorted. Anyway, so all the best. Hope you do well. Happy hunting.